Welcome immerse yourself in its harmonious embrace. But it is the diversity of life that truly captivates the senses. Hidden amidst the verdant canopy, you may encounter a kaleidoscope of colorful birds, brilliant macaws, iridescent hummingbirds, and stealthy toucans, all displaying nature's artistry in vivid plumage. With a stroke of luck, you may even catch a glimpse of elusive creatures like jaguars, sloths, or the charismatic tree-dwelling primates, the playful monkeys. Beneath your feet, a hidden world thrives. It is a realm of interdependent organisms, where delicate fungi connect the roots of towering trees, nurturing a complex web of life that sustains the rainforest ecosystem. As you wander,